everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video ay gagawa ko tayo ng banana catsup. So, huwag na natin magpapagalit. So, let's go!
So here are the ingredients for banana ketchup. 10 pieces ripe cooking bananas, 10 cups water, 2 pieces onions and 1 clove garlic, 2 cups vinegar, 1 teaspoon calamansi juice, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 teaspoons salt, 1 cup refined sugar, Atswetes seeds soaked in water. Materials: so, peel bananas and slice into small pieces. And here it is. Boil bananas for 10 minutes. Pour boiled bananas in water. And then we're going to blend onion and garlic with the rest of ingredients except the Atswetes solution. Boil mixture of spices until it lets out a strong smell. Pour banana into a same container and boil new mixture until it becomes sticky. Pour Atswetes coloring into mixture until it gives out your desired color. And lastly, pour hot mixture in containers, refrigerate 10 degrees Celsius for future use. And here it is, JB Banana Ketchup, the finished product.